Hey everyone, Black Friday is just around the corner, and if you're a Parker Thatch fan like me, you're probably wondering when their sale is going to drop and what kind of deals we can expect. Well, I have some experience shopping their past sales, and today I'm sharing everything you need to know to be ready when that sale goes live. So grab your wish list and let's chat. If this video helps you snag your dream Parker Thatch bag, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. First things first, when is the sale actually happening? Based on the last couple of years, Parker Thatch has started their Black Friday sale around November 15th, which is about 2 weekends before Thanksgiving. So if we follow that pattern, we're looking at the sale potentially starting as early as next week. Now, here's the thing you need to know. There's typically no advanced warning. Parker Thatch doesn't send out get ready emails or tease the sale on social media. One day you check your email or you get a text and boom, the sale is live. So my advice, make sure you're ready with your wish list. If you're hoping to purchase a bag that's in low stock, maybe even check their website regularly around November 14th if you want to get real serious. Do whatever you need to do to stay on top of it because some of their more popular bags do sell out quickly. All right, let's talk numbers. What kind of discount can we actually expect? For the past couple of years, Parker Thatch has offered $100 off $500. So if your cart totals $500 or more, you get $100 off. Pretty straightforward, right? But here's what you need to know about this discount. Number one, it's a flat $100 off. That means if you spend $500, you get $100 off. If you spend $1,000, you still just get $100 off. The discount doesn't multiply with how much you spend. So there's no advantage to buying multiple bags in one order versus making separate purchases. Although in the past, I believe you could only use the coupon once, so if you are making separate purchases, you're going to have to use separate emails. Number two, you cannot stack this discount with their free shipping coupon. So factor shipping costs into your budget. Depending on where you live, that could be $10 to $20 or more. Number three, this is typically the only site-wide discount Parker Thatch offers all year. They're not known for huge sales, so if there's a bag you've been eyeing, Black Friday is really your moment. My recommendation, if you're close to that $500 threshold but not quite there, it might be worth adding something else to your cart to hit that. Maybe a small accessory like a strap or a bag charm. Just make sure that you actually want and will use whatever you're buying. Don't spend money just to save money. Now, not everything will be included in the sale, so let's talk about exclusions and special deals. New releases are often excluded. For example, when they first launched the Jack bag, it wasn't included in the Black Friday promotion. So if Parker Thatch drops something brand new right before or during the sale, don't be surprised if it's excluded. That's pretty standard for many brands. But here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes they have special deals on select items. In past years, they've done things like limited releases of certain bags during the sale, special discounts on all bags in a specific color, like all of the silver bags, or a flash deal on one specific bag style for a limited time. These special deals might be in addition to the main $100 off 500 promotion, or they could be separate offers at different dates. Parker Thatch has been known to drop surprise deals throughout the holiday season, not just on their Black Friday event itself. So even if you don't find exactly what you want during the main Black Friday sale, you still might catch a surprise deal on that specific bag or color you've been wanting later on. Okay, let's talk strategy. How do you actually prepare for this sale? Step 1. Make your wish list now. Go to the Parker Thatch website and get your cart ready. This is also a great time to think about gifts if you still need a few last-minute items. Step 2. Know the details. If you haven't seen these bags in person, look at pictures, go to my channel and watch review videos, check the dimensions, and make sure you know what you want. You don't want to be researching this while the sale is live and items are selling out. Step 3. Calculate your total. Remember, you need to hit $500 before tax and shipping to get the $100 discount. So if your dream bag is $450, think about what you could add to get over that $500 threshold. Step 4. Be decisive. When the sale goes live, act quickly but also be thoughtful. Don't panic buy something you don't love just because it's on sale. These are still significant purchases even with the discount. So to recap, we're expecting the Parker Thatch Black Friday sale to start around November 14th or 15th with no advance warning. The discount will likely be $100 off $500. You'll need to pay for shipping, and some new releases might be excluded. But keep your eyes open for special deals on specific items or colors throughout the holiday season. I'm personally hoping to grab something in that gorgeous new leopard print, so I'll be checking that website as soon as the sale starts. What's on your Parker Thatch wishlist? Drop a comment below and let me know what you're hoping to score during this sale. If you're shopping the sale and found this video helpful, I'd be so appreciative if you use my link in the video description below, which gives me a small commission. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe because I'll be posting more on Black Friday reviews soon. Good luck, happy shopping, and I hope you're able to get the bag you've been eyeing. I'll see you next time.